Hola familia, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for all the love, all the support. I really do appreciate it. If you are new here to my channel, thank you so much for coming by. Bienvenidos, welcome. If you want to go ahead and join the little familia that we have going on here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button along with the post notification bell. That way you are aware of any single time that I do post any new videos. Right now I haven't posted anything related to beauty, lifestyle, self-care with an occasional vlog. So if you are interested, definitely hit that subscribe button. Also, and like always, I do want to send out much love, positive vibes, many blessings to everyone out there, all of you guys. I hope that everyone is staying safe and healthy as possible during all times. Okay guys, so if you are here to see the new TheraBox for the month of November, then you have come to the right place because I have been loving these TheraBoxes. This is what the box looks like. If you are, not really sure what TheraBox is, basically it is a monthly self-care subscription box, and it's called basically like the ingredients to happiness. Even here, like it says like unbox happiness, and that's kind of what the whole thing is about. I do believe that the subscription is $34.99. It's a month-to-month thing, but there are different plans that you can get. I think you could pay like $90 for 3 months. They have different tiers and different things that you can pay if you want to, just get it all paid for like a year or so. It is a self-care subscription box that is curated by therapists basically to inspire happy lives throughout practical joy, boosting activities, and thoughtful self-products. So that's pretty dope. Basically, you get over $100 worth of stuff, 6 to 8 full-size products, and I believe that every box usually comes with some kind of self-care activity that you can work on for yourself. And that's the beauty about it. It's just that it's not like a regular typical beauty subscription or skincare or anything like that. It's just more for your overall wellness and happiness, which is really cool, and that should be something that should be implemented more often in all our lives. So let's go ahead and jump straight to the box. Like I said, this is what the box looks like. Hopefully you can see it. My lighting is a little dim today. All right, and kind of like every subscription box, it does come with like a little booklet. Here it says Lunar. So the theme of this month for November is Lunar, which is cool. Look, it has like all the little lunas. The moons. Luna is actually moon in Spanish, so lunar. There we go. I'm not gonna get too much into it right now because I don't want to see what the products are, but usually kind of breaks down what the products are, how much they actually retail for if you were to get them outside of TheraBox. So I'm gonna leave this to the side, and I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what the box actually looks like. Here it basically says that if you want to tag them on Instagram or any kind of social media, you can go ahead and do so. So the first thing that I see here, it says Australian sandalwood natural incense. Ooh, incense, that's cool. All right, so this is what this packaging looks like. Let me go ahead and see. Okay, so this is actually from the Happy Shop, and it retails at $15. It basically says to breathe the new self-care rituals within your new home. So let me go ahead and open it up just to kind of see what it looks like and smells like. Oh wow, how fancy. So this is what it kind of comes in. Looks like a wand. But anyway, okay, so it has a few of them in here. This is where all the little incense are. If you have never lit them before, they're actually really nice. Here we go. So this is what it looks like. You basically light the top, and it's supposed to kind of like give you like a nice aroma in the home. Oh, I do smell it. Okay, sandalwood. Yeah, kind of, that's what it reminds me of. It reminds me of like wood, but it smells nice. It actually kind of smells a little bit seasonal, which is very nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and move this over here to the side. Hey guys, just jumping on really quick because after I finished filming, I realized that inside the little Australian sandalwood incense thing was actually a tiny little piece of wood. Hopefully you guys can see that, and it has a little dot in the middle. So basically you take the incense and you put it like that. I thought it was just the incense, but it turns out that it does come with something else. I wanted to share this with you guys, that way y'all didn't think it was just incense. But yeah, there it is, mad cute. Let's move on to the rest of the video. Bye. Okay, moving on right here, we have something by the brands, I don't even know, hold on, I don't want to mess this up. Amina Skincare, and this one retails at $24.99, and it says that it is whipped body butter. So actually it's really cute. It reminds me of like the Truly rainbow unicorn ones, because as you can see, hopefully you guys can actually see that, it's like a blue and a baby blue mixed together. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Hold on, I really hope, hold on, let me lower this so you guys can actually take a look. Come on, isn't that so pretty? It has like little stars in it, and it's just really pretty. Let me go ahead and light up so I can show you guys again. Ooh, it has glitter in it. Ooh, okay. Oh damn, it does really have glitter in it. Okay, so like I said, it is a body butter. It has a little bit of a glazed kind of glittered look to it. Okay, I smell it now. It smells like soap, honestly. I wonder if this is actual soap or, yeah, no, it's a lotion. It says Organic shea butter, coconut oil. Wow, different types of oils it has in it, and it's scented with grapefruit, white tea, nutmeg, rose. So it definitely is really, really nice. This is obviously something that's going to be nice for your skin. Yeah, it almost looks like it has a shimmer. I don't know if you can see it from afar, but like a body shimmer thing. I like that. Okay, not too bad. I like the smell. It smells really nice. So let's move on to the next thing in here. We have something by the brand Vitamesks. Okay, and this is what this one is a rose gold hydro glow cream. This one retails at $33, and basically it is a moisturizer, and it is a primer, and it is a luminizer. It's everything you need for a dewy goddess glow. It's a great addition to your beauty, and it minimizes fine lines and wrinkles and reduces pore appearance. So basically what it reminds me of is basically primer, moisturizer, luminizer. It's a little bit of everything. This is what the actual stuff looks like. I think it's just like a little white cream. I'm gonna go ahead, I don't know, where should I put it? Maybe I'll put it right here, even though I already obviously have makeup on and stuff like that, but I don't know, maybe we could see if it actually glows or anything. Let me see. Okay, doesn't really smell like anything, which is good. I like it though. The texture is very nice and calming. It's like not tacky at all. It's very nice and smooth. I like what it claims. I obviously have to continue using this a little bit more, but it's nice because it says it's free from animal cruelty, parabens, mineral oils, basically gluten, wow, sulfate, everything that's negative in other stuff, this one is free of. So it's actually really cool. I've never heard of the brand. Oh, and it has hyaluronic acid, which is obviously definitely a plus. So that's cool. I'm really excited to try that one out. Okay, moving on here, we have something, let's see, by the brand Chloe Emeralds, and this is rose quartz guasha. I can never say that word, guasha, and it's $20. And this I don't know what it is. Let's go. It says so much tension is held in your face throughout the day with the rose quartz. Oh, it's a tool. If you can remove tension, improve circulation, instantly lift and relax all muscles on your face. So I think I actually do kind of own one similar to this. Let me see. Oh yeah, I do own one. This is so pretty though. Look at that. All right, I don't know if I want to open this up because I might save it for a giveaway, but you know what? Actually, I think I have another one anyway. So, all right, so basically, these are what these looks like. They it's like a face tool, and it's supposed to be nice quartz. It's supposed to give you like good energy. And let's just say once you put your serums on everything, you literally take it and you go upward, and it's nice. It's actually, if you keep this in a skincare fridge or anything that keeps it nice and cold, it definitely helps alleviate the puffiness in your face, also fine lines and wrinkles, and it's just a very nice like therapeutic way to kind of give yourself a massage. So that's super cool, a face massage. Although I know that some people do use that in their body, like on their arms and stuff like that, on their thighs, so that's pretty cool. All right, moving on here, we have something by the brand Minimo. Minimo. Oh my god, Minimo Flawless. So this is Flawless Charcoal Face Scrub. Ooh, it's a face scrub. So this one retails at $15.95, and it basically says that it is a turbo deep cleanse for your face. It exfoliates with bamboo charcoal action. It deeply cleanses and maintains your skin for a healthy glow. So like I showed you, that's the packaging. Yep, a charcoal face scrub. I like the packaging. I like that it's black. One of the other things that I do like about TheraBox is that a lot of their items, well, pretty much everything is all natural, organic, or they're made from like smaller businesses, which is really nice. All right guys, so I went ahead and I opened it, and this is literally black scrub. As you can see, I actually have some on my hands. Minerally, you can feel like all the little exfoliating scrubs, which is I'm not mad at it though, because I don't know, I heard really good things about black charcoal ones. So let me go wash this off, and actually I'm gonna test my hand out to see if it actually feels any softer. Okay, so I went ahead and I washed it off my hands, and let me tell you, my right hand feels like butter. It feels like baby skin. That is absolutely amazing. I can't wait to try this on my actual skin. It is cruelty free, which is nice. It's made of all natural stuff with bamboo charcoal, and it says that the charcoal is actually proven to reach deep into your pores to remove toxins and impurities. And also, the charcoal is naturally activated, and it helps you leave your skin free of debris and refreshed. So I don't know. Guys, I wish you could see my skin, but it just feels like a baby's butt. It's amazing. So I can only imagine what it does to your face. I'm really excited about that one. I would definitely be trying that one. Okay, moving on here. We have something by the brand Joss and Lynn, or Joss plus Lynn, which is funny because my name is Jesselyn. But anyway, besides the point, Jocelyn, and this is a peel-off mask. This one retails at $10. Ooh, how cool. And this one has glitter in it. It's a deep cleansing peel-off mask. It's paraben-free, sulfate-free, and it's a powerful blend of charcoal and herbal ingredients. They want like a big charcoal vibe this month, which I'm not mad about it. Literally, it's supposed to help you peel dirt off and debris from your face and unclog your pores. So it's kind of small, but I don't think you're really supposed to be doing peel-off masks like that frequently anyway, so I'm not mad at it. All right, so as you can see, it obviously is black. It's the peel-off mask, so obviously you're gonna have to let it sit. You're gonna put this around your skin, and then once that sits for a certain amount of time, you actually literally peel it off your skin, and it helps like take everything out that's not supposed to be there. So it doesn't have any kind of smell. It smells like soap water, and it does have like a little glitter. I don't know if you can kind of see it. So obviously it's just aesthetically really pretty, really cute. I don't know, I'm really excited to try that out. So yeah, we'll see how that one works out later on. Moving on to the next thing here. This is by the brand Evolu. I don't know. Yeah, I think that's it. But it's $38, and this is a firming toner. Cool. It says it's basically for your face. Okay, so yeah, it is a primer for your face, and it's supposed to help you close down your pores and just give you like that vibrancy throughout the day. You can apply this on cotton pads, wipe your face. Okay, I don't have any cotton pads on me, but I still want to try it out. So let's see. I had a difficult time opening this up, but it literally has like a little latch that you kind of open up. Let me go ahead and put a little bit on this side and just smell it. Okay, it's definitely a little water consistency. It's not like a serum. It's definitely water based, as you could probably see the water splashing anywhere. There's no smell, there's no texture. It literally feels like water. I don't know how it's going to work, but I can only imagine that this has to be very refreshing. And I love the fact that it says that it's actually a firming toner. A lot of times the toners that they use, they don't really say anything about firming, so that's actually kind of nice. I love how much skincare they kind of give us this time. Ooh, and last but not least, I think this is the last thing in the box. This is super cute. It looks like it's a little journal. Let me just make sure. Let's just go ahead and open it up. So this one retails, it doesn't even tell me the price. Hold on, back up. Okay, so this one is the boosting activity for the month. It is this month's happiness boosting activity, and it's called Manifesting Challenge. This one retails at $15. So let me go ahead and open this. I love everything that has to do with journaling, books, little challenges, anything like wellness, self-care. This one says believe. Look how pretty it is. And at the back, it actually says TheraBox, so it's actually theirs. And it talks about how everything on our planet has energies, from flowers, the law of attraction, of visualizing what you want in your life. So it literally talks about what the law of attraction is, which if you don't know, the law of attraction is the use of power of your subconsciousness mind to manifest your innermost thoughts into reality, which is pretty cool. And it tells you how to use the law of attraction to help you. It talks about energy. It gives you tips. Wow, this is super cool. Manifestation, I can never say it. Oh, and it does have like a little journal part area where it talks about the things that you want to achieve in your life, your beliefs. I love all these little things. Affirmation, love. Cool. And yeah, I don't know, I really love these type of journals. And at the end, it gives you like these little blank pages where you can obviously write whatever you want. I love this. I always think this is such a nice touch. I personally love these type of items, so I don't know, I really appreciate it. All right, guys, that is all we have in the box. Let me go ahead and just add everything up just to kind of get an idea of how much everything would come out to. So, one moment. Okay, so after adding the whole box up, it does retail at, or MSRP, like the whole box itself is $171.94. That is super good, guys. I really, really love that. Like I said, you only pay $34 a month, $34.99 a month, so you're really getting like triple what you pay for in the box. I really like this month. Every time, I've only done like 3 unboxings of these, and every time I've done it, I'm like, oh, I love this one the most. Honestly, I feel like I'm digging this one a lot. I love how it revolves a lot, like with the charcoal energy, the whole moon moon vibe. I love the little journal. There's a lot of skincare, and the incense just kind of to bring it all in your home. It's super cute. This was definitely had more self-care in it for your actual personal body. So I can really appreciate that. I think they did a really nice job with this box. I'm looking forward to the next one, that's for sure. So if you are interested in seeing another unboxing with me, of course, go ahead and let me know. Give me a thumbs up, comment down, whatever you want to comment. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, for being a part of this. Have a great day. Stay blessed, stay healthy. Muchísimas gracias. Ciao.